Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about a plant that's not just a pretty face in your garden, but a powerhouse of benefits. The marvelous borage, also known as Borage officinalis. Borage is a versatile herb that comes with a host of uses and advantages. Not only does it make your dishes taste better, but it also helps in treating respiratory issues and improving skin health. Plus, it boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a natural remedy you'll want to keep handy. Now let's talk about how to keep this star performer happy and healthy. Watering cycle. Borage loves its water, so keep the soil consistently moist with regular watering. Season for growth. This plant thrives best in the spring and summer seasons. Harvest time. You can harvest its leaves and flowers as needed. No strict timelines here. Sunlight requirements. Borage adores the sun and prefers full sunlight, soaking up at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Soil preferences. It flourishes in well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. For its medicinal uses, borage is not just a kitchen hero, but also a health booster. It's used in herbal medicine to alleviate symptoms of arthritis, eczema, and PMS. Its oil is known to be beneficial for heart health and reducing inflammation. Bring a splash of blue to your garden and a dash of health to your life with brilliant borage, an herb that loves you back. So why not give borage a try and let it work its magic in your garden and on your health? Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.